Look at that, he's already recording the fucking cross.
Misuse.
Pope, yeah. Pope.
Gonna get me in trouble.
I came here about 4 years ago and some boy actually threatened to just threatened me really. That was the can that he...
Bro, a hangman.
Not enough power supply going into the lights there.
What?
See, on the other side there, there's not enough power supply going into the...
Talk about that. Oh.
It's still on, but it's barely anything visible.
It would have to be... Is it an AC or DC supply? Fuck. No, it would have to be AC, wouldn't it? Because it's main. It's coming.
I'm sorry that Jimmy Mark I just burped in the
I'm sorry.
It'd have to be AC because it's come from mains. 240. No, wait, would it be 240 or would it be 6,000?
I don't know.
Because it's for industrial use.
I don't know.
I think it's just 240.
Okay. I mean, I have a whole fucking level crossing at the back, out in my back garden, so...
Surprised this guy hasn't called me nerd yet.
Huh?
Surprised you haven't called me nerd!
It's not Venom the cow.
What?
Imagine.
Do you know what I'm on about, Jim?
No,
I know what you're on about. I see it, me and Chris see it all the time on fucking TikTok.
Venom the fucking cow. That's crazy. You know, I wouldn't normally talk in my videos anymore, but now that you guys are here, yeah, gonna have to. Did you? Good boy.
There's a new
What? Huh? Oh no! No!
a bus.
Do you know? Yeah, but Zach, do you know which?
414.
Do you know which bus it is?
62.
62.
Venom the Kellies.
62 is the new 67, guys. Get used to it. No ball.
No ball. The skinnier.
I've still got the original video saved on my
He's the
phone.
skinniest one out of all of us.
True. True.
I think so.
I'm not gonna deny. Here, I tried to weigh myself last night. The scales kept on going berserk. I think it said it was way off. It said it was 55 kilos, but I think I'm like 64 maybe.
Why not 6'7"?
It could have gone up. It was 60. It was 62 at the end of 2024. I'm very underweight for my age.
Rude. Oh, there's one.
What?
The police, the police.
Oh yes. I'm not going to show the camera.
They're usually on the motorways. I feel that.
I've seen them. I've seen them on the motorway quite a bit. Yeah. He's tone wanking again.
So I haven't even bothered to paint that over.
No. Yeah, it's not sounding too good, is it? No.
It's 2262.
Yeah.
A woman.
The man there is very surprised. Right, let's end this.